Hello, I'm Dr. Sam Ajizian, Chief Medical Officer for Medtronic's patient monitoring business, and I'm here to share the performance of Nellcor pulse oximetry across varying skin pigmentation, a retrospective analysis. Multiple studies have reported that pulse oximetry values vary as a function of race. However, research is clear that race and self-identification of ethnicity does not correlate with objective measures of skin pigmentation like the Fitzpatrick scale. A more accurate approach is to assess individual skin pigmentation objectively, and in this retrospective analysis, we used a pigmentation scale that linearly correlates with the Fitzpatrick scale. Our scale has 4 pigmentation groups: very light, olive, dark olive, and extremely dark. The analysis presented today includes internal Medtronic studies conducted between 2003 and 2017 using multiple Nellcor devices shown here. We examined over 18,000 blood samples on which co-oximetry measures were done from 88 healthy volunteers, 22% of which had dark olive or extremely dark skin pigmentation levels. The table on the left shows that for saturations between 70 and 100, the RMSD for all pigmentation levels was less than 2, and when broken out into the 2 groups shown, remained less than 2. In the graph to the right, we see the RMSD for the darker pigmented group on the right is slightly higher, consistent with other published studies. In conclusion, both overall and by skin pigmentation group, for saturations between 70 and 100, Nellcor pulse oximeters are accurate and perform within manufacturer specifications. Our finding of slightly higher RMSD in darker pigmented subjects mirrors the finding of other publications. Additional work and research is needed to better objectively assess subject and patient skin pigmentation levels, both at the internal manufacturer validation study level and on patient studies in the field. As well, manufacturers need to work to continually refine the performance of pulse oximetry across the entire patient pigmentation spectrum. Thank you to EBPOM for the opportunity to present this work, and thank you for the Medtronic team that generated this content.